Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering the assets you'll need, the original video and its audio track. Once done, open your editor and confirm project sample rate and bit depth match the source so you avoid resampling artifacts. Make sure to disable any active noise cancellation plugins or hardware input processing in system audio settings first. This prevents automatic reprocessing. Next, extract the audio to a separate track so you can edit it independently. Doing this now saves time and preserves video sync. Now you go into the complex middle steps. Identify every place noise suppression could be applied and turn it off. In your DAW or video editor, bypass denoise, adaptive gate, and spectral repair plugins on both track and master bus. This restores the raw waveform for intentional processing. Also check camera or conferencing app drivers and disable hardware or driver-level suppression. Once disabled, audition the raw audio to understand what you must correct manually. This gives you control over what to remove. Finish by cleaning the audio manually and verifying results. You should create a noise profile and apply spectral noise reduction or precise EQ cuts, but use low reduction amounts to avoid metallic or underwater artifacts. Once done, render a short test clip and compare against the original so you can judge clarity versus naturalness. If you still hear pumping or artifacts, reset to defaults and reapply a single gentle process at a time. This troubleshooting step isolates the offender and restores intelligibility without overprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.